Why would you walk through the storm, you dumbasses? That's 32 inches of snow, and they're walking their dumbasses through it. Ah, Kevin just fell! Wayne! He keeps falling. He was making a snow angel in his house. Herpes! Herpes! Herpes. He dropped his glove. Did you find the other one? Yeah, he found it. Wait. I'm not holding it. Do you see the people running? Wait, where are you going? My leg! My leg! That's a lot of snow. Alyssa, go see how far it goes up to you. Because you're only like 38 inches, right? And this is 32. Ew, did Wayne just say he loved him? This is craziness. Oh, they're over here. Mother Nature and Jack Frost, they just had fun tonight, didn't they? I'm done. It's really cold.
Oh my god, you see their tracks from all the way to get to Wayne's house?
I know, like it's a huge hole. They're walking in the middle of the street. It looks like a huge yard. Wait, let's see. It comes up to your like stomach, I guess. Craziness. Oy. It's a lot of snow. Oh, and the branch broke over there. Here, Alyssa, take the camera. You probably have a closer aim. What? Don't put your finger in it.
Stop it, Corey!
Snow gust coming! Snow gust coming! It's a snowstorm instead of a sandstorm. Wait, whoa! I can't see anything. Okay. Keep your hoodies up. Okay, you can't go outside. Here, go outside. Yeah, you're kind of covered. Oi. That was the end video. I need a hat. Alright, we're ending the video like that.